Hi all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to check how to add social media links on the Google My Business profile. It will help to build the trust, and it will help to increase visibility on search engine as well as the Google Maps. Okay, so we are checking with the how to add social media links on the Google My Business profile. Let's go to the Google My Business and click on the sign in, then come into the this business. Okay, if you see that I am changing for this yeah, it and these are the social media links will be only available on the other countries, not for the India. In the other countries profile you will see the add the social media business profile. So we will be adding in the Canada country currently, but it is available on the all the countries except India. Okay, so let's start. Click on, if you see that the business, and click on the status, and then you will see that the click on here. Also you can go to the edit the business, as well as you can click on over here, then you can edit the business. We will simply go to the click on it, and if you see that in contact, after the chart we have a website. Then if you see that there is a social profile, right? Name it as a social profile. So you can just click on it. Let's say you have a YouTube, you need to add YouTube URL. You have a Facebook, you need to add this Facebook, you need to add over here the Facebook page. Let's say I will be open one Facebook page and add the link, any link. I'm just showing you how to add that. Just getting the one link from the Facebook. Yeah, now we're adding over here, like let's say Facebook page. I don't have YouTube page, so I didn't add it. Let's say you know you have a Instagram, say you can add the Instagram page. Okay, I will be getting the Instagram page as well. So let's say Instagram page, and then you have a, okay, okay, it is a you can add any if you have a that business related Insta page, you can add it. Okay, also you can add Pinterest as well. You can add LinkedIn profile. You can add TikTok profile. You can add Twitter profile. You can add YouTube profile. So we will be add social profile. Let's say how many we can add. It's build the customer trust by sharing your profiles. So better to add if we have any option. In the other countries we have an option to add social profile. So you can add 8 to 10 social profiles, like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter and YouTube. So click on save, and it will save. Okay, so it is the overview of how to add a business profile on the Google My Business, and it must add because it helps to build the trust with the user, and as well as it increase the visibility on the searches and as well as the Google Maps. So thanks for watching. We will be connect for the next video. I hope you like. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel.